Easy access showers for the elderly. Easy access showers. Easy access showers are specifically designed to aid those with mobility problems. Being able to bath yourself is one of the most important factors in retaining your independence, and with a shower specifically designed to aid you in this, your independence can be regained. An easy access shower can usually take two forms. Low-level access shower trays. These can be in various shapes and sizes, but basically consist of a shower cubicle which has either a low-level access tray, small step-over, or level shower trays, no step-over. These trays can be specially designed to fill the space which your traditional bath sat in. These showers can be fitted with doors, single or double, which swing open to aid access. Wheelchair-friendly showers can also be purchased. To prevent water from escaping from the shower, full-height doors can be fitted, or alternatively half-height doors with shower curtains can also be fitted. Half-height doors will allow a helper to aid in washing by being able to lean over. A non-slip tray can be fitted to improve safety. A seat can also be fitted for the user to us when showering. Wet room or wet floor shower areas. These systems are more modern and consist of either the entire bathroom or the shower area being fitted with waterproof flooring with graduated drainage. These systems offer level access and are ideal for wheelchair users. Shower screens can be fitted to suit the user size. Again, the wet room can be fitted with non-slip flooring to increase safety. A seat can also be fitted for the user to us once in the shower.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Transform your old articles and ebooks into brand new audio content and use it to create podcasts or videos for your YouTube or TV channel. Visit allsuper.info and ask our live support for details.